developing country. So still, I am happy that you have a very good organized system in order to apply. So wish you all the best and thank you so much, sir. May I know your good name, sir? Yes, this is Mr. Manuel. He's very kind and good person. So thank you so much, sir. God bless you. They do the classes. It's a nice area. Hello, sir. Namaste.
Just saying hi, everyone.
Yeah. Hello, everyone.
Everybody say hi.
Wish you all the best and good luck. Has been issued more than like 16, 17 years. So they said to me, no, you have to go for like 50 hours drive. So it's gonna, make me something, it's like a little bit crazy and weird. And, overall, they are good guys. They are cooperative, and it's nice atmosphere that they. So I just wanna make fun. Yes, yes, sir. Right now, actually, I'm here in LTO office. Bit, it's weird when I went inside and I tell them my driving license has been issued from Emirates, Dubai particularly. So it has been issued more than like 16, 17 years. So they said to me, no, you have to go for like 50 hours drive. So it's gonna make me something, it's like a little bit crazy and weird. And I said, no, come on, it means, sorry to say, my driving license, which has been issued from Emirates Dubai, and it's valid for all over the world. I can drive it, and since it's more than 3 months, and since I have already IDP, my international driving permit, also which I carried from the Emirates, already has been issued. So why I have to go for all these 50 hours classes in order to apply the local driving license? So they said, no, sir, this is a new rule and you have to do it. I object. I said, no, you have to check it out. So then I went there. So they said, no, sir, you just bring your driving license copy and the passport copy and the latest the arrival of stamps on your passport. That's it, and just bring it to us and we will do. So now I'm going over there and we will follow up the next procedure. I hope there is no another sounds of craziness or something weird. So let's see, hope for the best. So where I'm going, and overall they are good guys, they are cooperative, and it's nice atmosphere that they do also classes for the new beginners. It's good and positive signs for the newcomers, the new students. So which actually they should go through to follow the proper guideline and how to drive, because I face actually a difficulty over here, especially in the internal cities. Nobody is following the lines, signal, discipline. So there are so many factors over here which I have noticed. So I hope through this my vlog it will be helpful for them, and I will put my some comments over there, and they should have to bring in their new policies or something, because since I had got my driving license way back in 2004, I believe, in Emirates Dubai, and everybody knows that in the world that in order to get driving license in Dubai, particularly in Emirates, is very tough. It's not easy, and we have to follow the rules and regulation internationally, so then we can get the driving lesson. So hope let's find it out inside. We will see. I will go over there. I have to go from here because I have the, she told me, then I have to go up to the medical. Hello po, good afternoon. May I come in? May I come in po?
Ano yan?
Yes.
Ano yan?
For the license.
Medical?
Yeah, medical. I am in LPO building on second floor in medical. So there is Miss
Insani.
Izani. So she is the one over here. She is very kind woman, and she is filling my form by herself. Actually, I have the driving license which has been issued from Emirates. So since I am over here stay, so I'm going to apply for the local driving license. So that's why I have to go through this medical. But say normally it's supposed to be eye test. So I'm curious. Now I'm here in medical. So what will be the next step and which kind of medical they will do for me? So probably it's. So I came to the medical over here in LPO. So there is Miss Miss Zen, right? She is standing right now. She is very kind and very beautiful woman. So she is there. She filled for my form and for the medical. And she is Dr. Romero. She is also very kind woman and pretty woman, I believe. And they are very kind people over here. So she has diagnosed me about my blood pressure. So and my eye checkup. So alhamdulillah, everything is okay. So what's doctor next?
You just print your medical and then after that you can proceed.
I will proceed to the down. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you guys, and my prayers are with you always. Festival Iqbal. Thank you, sir. Is there any problem?
No problem.
All right. They are actually I am here. I just finished the medical, and they are very nice people over here. Salamat po. Thank you. Bye bye. So now I'm carrying this paper. I have to go down back. Excuse me. Hello, how are you? Good? Yes po.
Sa inspection namin.
Sino?
Kayo po. Sa kanto dyan sa tapat sa, pasok kayo dyan. Daling inspection.
Ah, ganun ba?
Yes!
Magkano ba meron ito? Magkano meron ito?
Wala. Thank you.
Yes. Sure. Can I borrow your pen, please? Why? Okay, no problem. I have it. I have it. I have it. So I am here right now in the waiting area after this medical. So maybe they will call me for the certain payment for the maybe the fees for the installment. So let's see. So I fill all of the another form and I'm waiting in that area. So let's see, hope for the best, inshallah. So still I am here. There was some little bit issue about the visa pay. Actually I were having the extension of Philippine visa online, so there was no stamp and extension on the passport itself. So I was having only the photo or my
Mr. Jomar Manali, Window Depot, Jomar Manali, Window Depot.
only my photo, the extension online which happened, only the photo. So they accepted. I made the printout and given to them. Now the second issue was my name, because in Emirates they will issue your name Muhammad Faisal Iqbal connected to your father name. So they were saying, what is your name? So I said Muhammad Faisal Iqbal, and this is my father name Muhammad Iqbal. So I just explained to them. So now this gentleman is over here, and let's see, hope for the best. So probably maybe within the next couple of minutes they're gonna call me, and I'm gonna get further status. Let's see, hope for the best. So I just finished my photo, digital signature over here in this window. So I'm just waiting for this gentleman. 857, 50, yes, 57 something. And payment amount, this is the same. This is another. It will come by courier, right? To my home place, right? No receipt? Maybe might be fingerprints.
Muhammad Iman.
Yes.
Abdullah. Take a seat, sir.
Take a seat. Okay, thank you.
Excellent job.
All right, sir. So once again, left or right, sir? Both? That's it, sir. My vlog, sir. I am a vlogger YouTube. I am a vlogger YouTuber. So inshallah I will make the video for you guys. How the procedure, so people must know and understand. Especially. But overall, I am very happy that you have a very nice procedure. Even you know, I am from Dubai. Dubai, you know, that is a very developing country. So still, I am happy that you have a very good organized system in order to apply. So wish you all the best and thank you so much, sir. May I know your good name, sir? Yes, this is Mr. Manuel. He's very kind and good person. So thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
ID card, sir.
Ah, okay.
Are you informed? In the front.
About
Your license card.
yeah, about what?
Didn't...
No, this one it will come by our home address, right?
Yes,
But there is no possibility I can get right now.
there was a memo regarding to that.
Yes.
Conversion will be delivered door to door to your
Door to
house.
door only.
But for now, this is temporary. You can use it
Okay.
for driving purposes.
Okay, so I can use this paper,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir. This is the detail.
Okay, so this is the detail right now.
Done.
And done, sir. Thank you so much. May I know your good name, sir? Yes, good guy. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. Thank you. So within maybe 7 days.
It depends on the post office, sir.
Post office also. Done, sir. Thank you. But there is no possibility I can get right now. Even there is some charges more. No, nothing. No, no. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. So now this is it's gonna get it by our home address. So let's see. Inshallah, we have it. All right. Thank you, boss. Salamat. Thank you. Bye bye. Finally done, but it will come by our post. This is the only one, the paper they had given me. So it will come by courier. I thought maybe they will get it. I will get it right now. So so far, good experience so far. So where is we will go? The paper, and we are starving too much. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.